Look at what we got. Started putting the bike back the other day. Well, just started. Finished doing some other stuff. But about to put the front end together. Start doing everything else. Be on the road. It looks sharp. Once everything's over, it'll look way better. I like it.
Good red black, dude.
I can't wait.
It is gonna look good.
This thing was fucking dusty, dirty. I just went through, cleaned what I could by hand. There's still a lot of spots I couldn't get. That's just gonna be what it is. Once I get it back together, I can spray it down. But getting there, close.